Hey, this is Eric Hunter here, and right now all of the amazing pendulums on my website are 20% off. And I want to show you some of them. These are extremely high vibration tools that you can use for energy healing, manifestation, magic, basically to make your life better and to improve the lives of those you love. Here's one called the Starshine pendulum. It's a beautiful high vibration pendulum that's great for energy healing and manifestation work. I mostly use it for energy healing personally. And it is based on sacred geometry shapes. Its energy is just awesome. It's super strong. And it's covered in a precious metal called rhodium. Right now it's 20% off. I've got lots of others here. This is one of my signature designs, the Alchemist. And this is a beautiful titanium coated pendulum with amazing energy. And yeah, this has been a popular pendulum for many years now. Some of you have had it in different forms. I highly recommend you get this if you're doing a lot of pendulum commands. It's a great one for that. But it can be used for anything else because it's super high vibration. And that's one thing about my pendulums. It's like they're all really good and they're all super high vibe, meaning like you can feel them in your energy field if you're sensitive to energy. They stimulate a healing response. They stimulate changes to people, places, pets, situations because of their shape and materials. So there's a lot of overlap between what they can do. So at some level, you can just intuitively pick the pendulums you like. But I also do try to, where possible, give some distinctions. All right, here is one called the Dome. It's a beautiful gold-plated pendulum. This one is really amazing. I base this on the sacred geometry concept of the dome. If you look at the top of it, it's like a Russian dome or like a Sufi or Muslim dome, or even some early Christian domes, the onion shape. And that's because the dome has amazing energy. It creates a sacred space, and that's why all those religious structures use the dome. And then it allows miracles and basically the divine to manifest in the earthly realm. So this is an awesome pendulum, amazing design. Okay, getting into some other ones I have here. I've got a goddess themed one, the purple goddess. Another titanium one. You can see there's like kind of gold in there, like light purple, and then it's kind of this darkish blue purple. It's really amazing pendulum. Most of these ones so far, the purple goddess, the dome, and the starshine, these are all somewhat larger pendulums. And some of you like larger pendulums, but then I also have a lot of these medium-sized ones. Like I've got the Alchemist here, which is medium-sized. I've got the High Priestess of the Tarot. This is medium-sized. This is a great one for dowsing. If you do tarot and you want to include some dowsing, this is a great one. It's goddess themed again. It's so dark, it's hard to see it exactly. There it is. It's beautiful, beautiful pendulum. It's just stunning, and the energy is just off the charts on this thing. Okay, another medium-sized one is the Silver Moon Isis pendulum. This is my own variation on the Isis pendulum design. I improved the design of the Isis, which is a standard pendulum. This one has extra discs. It also has a slightly refined shape, and I made it in rhodium. So this blows a regular Isis out of the water. Isis is a great pendulum. Don't get me wrong. If you have an Isis pendulum, that's awesome. Keep it and use it. This one just takes it to another level. All right, another one here, which is one of my signature pendulums, is the Thoth. So this is inspired by the Egyptian god of magic and wisdom, Thoth, and it has this cool design. Yeah, some people really swear by this pendulum. Lots of pendulum people in the past had Thoth pendulums. They usually make them out of clay because it's very hard to get these inscriptions into metal and then actually have them colored. I've managed to do that, and it's very difficult to get it done. Believe me. There's a lot of them don't make the cut, and I don't have a lot of good ones from any particular batch because it's so challenging to do this. But I do have some that are perfect right now, and they're awesome. And this is just one of my favorite designs. I love that it has this tie to classical ancient Egypt, but it also is just a stunningly good pendulum for dowsing, energy healing, manifestation, doing magic, etc. Finally, I have another one of my signature designs here. It is the Rainbow Akashic. This is an amazing pendulum. It has a beautiful arabesque design on it. For those of you who are very interested in aesthetics, you know, who like beauty, this is another pendulum. Although all my pendulums, I guess, are beautiful. This one has incredible energy and it moves so easily. It's perfect for pendulum dowsing. See how quickly it changes direction? You can get it to move very easily, so it's perfect for asking questions, doing a reading, etc. But it also has incredible energy, so you can send spells with it. You can send pendulum commands. You could send healing. The energy is also good. On all of these, you can just hold the pendulum over a person's body part, and it can stimulate a healing effect. Anyway, all of these are on sale right now, even more than what I just showed you on my website. It's a limited time offer for the month of November. Please check it out because I've never done this before, honestly, but things have been kind of tough with the economy and I really wanted to help people out to get good tools. So I'm doing this sale. It's a limited time thing. I'm probably not going to do it again for a while. So if you're wanting one of these designs, definitely do it now in this month of November, 20% off. For international orders, I also have temporarily have put up a economy shipping method, so you can check that out too. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Nice to see y'all. Bye.